The total market cap of all altcoins are now at $1 trillion. At least it was not too long ago. This number, I have said many times before, will increase probably to the $2 to $3 trillion mark, at least during this bull market. And so what does that mean? It means that we haven't even seen alt season. And if you want to know what we are doing with alt season and all the coins that we've been getting into so that we're going to relax and chill, learningcrypto.com, home of the CT Club. Definitely check it out if you want to see which coins we've been getting into, which coins we are looking at, and much more. All right, so right now we have 52 days till the Bitcoin halving. Now, a lot of people are like, well, are we going to hit all-time highs beforehand? Well, I did a video, I think it was yesterday or the day before, saying that the last time we went above $57,000, we hit all-time highs within, what was it, 7 or 8 days after that. So, man, we are going to blast through that, in my opinion. This will be the first bull market where we do pass all-time highs before the halving. We don't have to wait for that. And guess who's been saying that for months and months and months and months now? Me. And many others, some very good guys like Tony the Bull on Twitter, and also Credibull. I got to give them credit. They have been spot on as well. If you want to check out me on crypto Twitter, I would definitely recommend you checking out at Sir Crypto Tips. Okay, so we are about $65,000 to $7,000 before all-time highs. That's $69,000. So we have about 52 days to go up 10.5%. What do you think is going to happen? If you were watching some of my past videos, it went 10%, it went up 10% within the time span that I was doing one of my videos. So yeah, it can easily do that. Don't let anybody say that it can't, even though there's many people that say, oh, it's not going to happen. These guys are ridiculous. I don't even know why people follow these people anymore. All right, now let's go over a little bit of history. Now, this is coming from Crypto Nova on Twitter. Last cycle, peak euphoria didn't happen when Bitcoin was trading at its all-time high of $20,000. So the old all-time high hit that around like 2018. So what happened was it gradually happened when Bitcoin was trading above $30,000 to $40,000, double the price of its all-time high back then. We continued and saw $69,000 that year. Now, I'm not saying that we are going to go to $300,000, $400,000. I actually don't think we are going to go that high. I have many reasons for that. Learningcrypto.com if you want to check that out. But what I do think is that we should hit all-time highs, and we should peak before the end of the year. And then I expect us to go into a nasty, nasty bear market, which is going to be really good for BlackRock and friends. Why? Because it's going to shake out so many people. So on the way it shakes out people that have been in this space for a very long time, they're finally like, all right, I'm over it. I get to cash out, I can retire essentially. And then it's got newer people that have been in this space that are going to get slaughtered essentially. And they're going to watch their portfolio go from 120 whatever $1,000 back down to who knows what it's going to go down to. And, BlackRock's going to take advantage of that on both sides because they are going to buy, in my opinion, I've said this many times, more than Satoshi has. But here is I'm not saying Bitcoin's going to go to $1 million, but there's some really interesting tweets right now. This is from Thomas Hey Apollo. He says, Bitcoin running to $1 million wouldn't even crack Bitcoin's top 3 bull runs. But the market cap, he says, yeah, but the ETFs weren't buying $500 million then either. But who knows what's going to happen? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts on where you think this market is going, because it's going to be difficult, especially to take profits. It definitely is. And you're going to need to start taking profits, especially when you have a lot of people saying $1 million here. You're going to hear it a lot. And what happened last bull market is that, we were hearing $500,000, $300,000 per Bitcoin, $1 million Bitcoin. And then what happened? It went down to $15,500 within a year after that. So just be really careful when when people are a bit overly bullish. That is when it's time to step back and rethink your position. Now, guess who's not rethinking their position? This is pretty incredible. So we have Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, Wells Fargo are offering Bitcoin ETFs to their clients. I mean, I barely found this news, but I found this on Zero Hedge. It's really interesting. So everybody's kind of getting on the bandwagon. I think the cat's out of the bag, and people are going to be really pressuring these institutions to go ahead and give them the product that they want, even though they could have simply just bought Bitcoin without all these institutions. Because you know what? A Bitcoin ETF is a derivative of Bitcoin. It's not actual Bitcoin. Guess who is owning that actual Bitcoin? These institutions. Those are the guys that are going to be really killing it. And lastly, BlackRock. Let's talk about BlackRock right now. Their spotty ETF now holds over $10 billion worth of Bitcoin. It's the fastest an ETF has ever reached that milestone. And that's going to put shivers down any family office, anybody that's incredibly rich. They're going to be looking at that going, oh my gosh, I better grab some Bitcoin. So you should probably be in the space before they realize that, because that could skyrocket the price more than ever. So anyways, that's all I have. If you want to see what we are doing with our crypto, learningcrypto.com, please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.